Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I welcome you all to Happy Home School online class for Art Class 7. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Miss Mavish here and I'm here to teach you art and I hope you all are fine and you are in good health. You are resting at home, you are taking care of yourself and your family, and it's been a very long time that we people have not seen each other. Let's begin with this virtual meeting. Our topic for today is cultures of the world. I hope you all know what do you mean by culture. A set of patterns of any human activity which is language, religion, manners, food, folk art, their festivals and celebrations, their clothing sense. This all sums up to make a culture of any society or a group, a culture of a particular group of people. We have many different cultures around the world, and these different cultures they respect each other's differences. Under the topic of cultures of the world, we will study and explore the culture of Mexico. It is the land of North America. Its capital state is Mexico City. Mexico is also called the land of three lands because of its three distinct land types. And these are denoted in Spanish as Tierra Caliente, which is called as hot land, Tierra Templada, which is called as temperature land, and Tierra Fria, which is called as cold land. Tierra, the word tierra itself means as earth. Mexican culture is the most fascinating and colorful culture around the world. The mixture of variant elements make it unique. The art made on stone, buildings, and pottery, mostly the paintings and their relief paintings, are also called as Mesoamerican art. One of the important factors of any culture is its art form. We will study about Mexican art. It's unique, it's distinct, it displays the rich heritage and colorful pride of this culture. Here, I will show you Mexican folk art through different pictures. Masks. They still work with all these forms of art, which includes masks, bark painting, oxygen carvings. Oxygen is a wood of a soft tree, or it's a soft wood which is carved into different shapes and then painted. Hucole bead art, Hucole yarn art. They celebrate Day of the Dead, in which they create these skeleton figures and they dress these figures in different attires. They create Yucca figurines, the dolls, otome embroidery, painted wooden mirrors. They still have some pottery, ancient pottery painting methods, which are Barro Brunido potteries. They paint their ceramic jars, which are also called as jars of Maximo Huerta. They make some art and craft with tins and glass. Graffiti is the modern art of this society. They create figures with coconuts, which are called as coconut figures, and they create copper vases. They carved relief paintings which are basically their ancient stories told in the form of these paintings. They create clay folk art in which specifically they make these family trees which tell them a story about their family from their grandparents to their kids. Let's begin to learn the beauty of their folk art, and we'll choose one of its folk art to work on, which is bark, or we call it image paintings too. This is their ancient style of painting. This is an art style which combines paper crafting with it, and it is like it comes up from San Pablo, and the paintings are from Mascala region too, which is located in Guerrero. Here is a short video about how do they create bark paper. I hope you like this video.
Yo hago papel amate. Hacemos papel amate, es una artesanía que se saca a partir de la corteza de los árboles. Como el árbol tiene dos capas, la capa áspera la desechamos y la capa más suave es la que conservamos para hacer el amate. Podemos usar de colores naturales, como es el barro, el carbón, son las plantas. En unas tablas trabajamos en una tabla con la corteza y con una piedra que se llama punto. Pues aquí tiene mucha importancia porque no es nada más como en la actualidad ahorita que estamos haciendo mucho de decoración para cuadros y para un mercado decorativo. Ya anteriormente y hasta la actualidad se usa para fines curativos. Son para curas. Hay gente que luego hay enfermedades que cuando la gente se enferma acude a los curanderos. Ellos hacen una limpia. Entonces ahí es donde reportan los dioses, pero son con papel amate. Hay dioses buenos, hay dioses malos. Entonces ya se puede hacer limpieza o se puede hacer maldad, ya depende de cada persona. Hay mucha diferencia porque es la historia, es la curación de por qué nos dan los papel amate y la historia y que nosotros compartimos con los hijos, con toda la gente. Todo el pueblo tiene conocimiento.
Basically, this paper goes to the Guerrero state where the artists they paint their imaginative scenes about the fantasy birds and animals. They paint some floral motifs on this special kind of bark paper. The paintings are created by Nahua Indians of South Mexico who are making it through generations, and they make these paintings bright in colors. You can see in these two pictures, they paint these in the same style. They paint their village scenes and they paint it through birds, animals, and floral motifs. Paper is a sacred part of Mayans and Aztecs culture actually. So this is very important for them, and they use it in their culture because it's a sacred part of their society. Here are some of the examples which totally differ in colors and motifs and patterns, that how do they create these paintings. You have to keep some points in mind while creating this bark painting, which includes the following. You need to have at least one bird and one animal in your picture. You should have floral and vegetation decorations there. You have to use bright colors and repeated patterns. Your paper should be crumpled and torn. Now I will, before I lay down this work on a workstation, I hope you all understand that what It is all about that how the wallpaper is created, and it's from their ancient art. If there are any questions, I would like to answer your question. It's nice to meet you, and thank you so much for this session. And I'll come up for the next session again on the workstation, explaining you how to do this work manually in your sketch.